In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Chrome browser on your Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open the Safari browser and then just go google.com. Once you are in the google.com, just start typing Google Chrome and hit enter or return key of your keyboard. You will see the search page of Google Chrome. So from here you have to access this link google.com Chrome. I'm going to click here to access that website, and very shortly it will bring this window. Here it is mentioning like the browser built on different types of things is coming here, and there is a button download Chrome. To download and install it, at first we need to download it. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will start downloading. And if you are using like Safari browser, it will bring us this type of option. Do you want to allow downloads on google.com? Yes, we are planning to download this thing and later we want to install. So you have to choose this option which is called allow. I'm going to click allow button and very shortly it will be downloaded. And if you click here, you'll see it is downloaded over there. Now to access there in the downloads folder, basically showing like it is stored in downloads folder. And now I'm going to open the downloads folder. So here is my downloads folder. I'm going to open. So this window we don't need. I'm going to minimize this thing, and then I'm going to access downloads folder. And here is the download like Google Chrome's DMG file, which we need to use to install that. To install it, we just need to double click on top of it, and very shortly you'll see like this. And this is the Google Chrome icon, and this is the application icon of our Mac. So what you need to do, you need to drag this thing to inside it. So I'm going to click here, and I'm not going to click, basically I'm going to drag it here and dropping inside the application, and very shortly it will be installed over there. Sometimes you will see this type of progress bar, but if your computer is very fast, you will not see that progress bar. So that means once the progress bar is complete, basically your Chrome is already installed. Now it's time to open the Chrome browser. I'm going to close this thing and also going to close or minimize this thing. Now I'm going to hit the spotlight search from here, or we can hold command key and spacebar key all together and it will bring the spotlight search. From here we can type Chrome, and if we start typing like 3-4 letters, we see that Google Chrome is there. From here we have to click here Google Chrome, and very shortly the Chrome browser will be open, but not like that. For the first time you will get this message like Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We have to press open button for first time. Later we don't need. I'm going to click open, and then it is showing like welcome to Chrome browser. And here there is two options: use Google Chrome as your default browser, help make a Google Chrome better by automatically sending users statistics and for each something like that. But I'm not going to check anything, so I'm going to uncheck both because I don't want Chrome browser will be default browser, and also I don't want to send any information from my computer to Google. And then we have to press this button start Google Chrome, and once you click here, very shortly you'll see your Google Chrome browser will be open. At the beginning you will find couple of things like sign in to Chrome, this thing we can ignore it by pressing this button don't sign in, and very shortly it will be opened again. There will be something like that. We can press this got it button and we are ready. Now we can do whatever we want. I'm just typing randomly, and if we search it is working. And if you want to open Gmail, we can type gmail.com and it will work. And that's it. In this way we can easily download and install Google Chrome browser on our iMac or MacBook Air or MacBook Pro or any other Mac computer.